In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, like that. Then, to see all of your added shortcuts, hold this line above brightness slider and drag it down. Now to continue, you need to look for a white auto rotate shortcut or gray portrait one. This is very important. When you find one of them, click on it. As you can see, my auto rotate is here, so when I click, it turns gray and it says portrait. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wanna switch it on, click on portrait shortcut until it turns white and it says auto rotate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!